Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how you link your PayPal to your Fiverr account. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Fiverr website right here at fiverr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. So this is the home page where we want to go ahead and log into our account. So here in the upper right corner, you'll have the sign in button that you can use for logging into your account. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where you can get started browsing all the sections. You can see other gigs people are posting and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to connect PayPal to our account. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up our profile icon right here in the upper right corner. That's going to open up this new drop down menu. So in this new drop down menu, you're going to go ahead and have a lot of options that you can access, and one of them is called billing and payments. So you want to open up billing and payments. So open up billing and payments guys, and after opening up billing and payments, as you can see, this is now going to open up this new menu settings right here, where as you can see we have billing history, information, so on, and one of the options is called payment methods. So open up payment methods guys right here, and after opening up payment methods, you can see this is going to have all the options that we have. So as you can see, we can get started with adding a new payment method. We can either add a credit card or PayPal. So click add a payment method and then select what you want to add. As you can see, we can go ahead and select PayPal, and after selecting PayPal, now we can get started providing all of our info and so on, connecting our PayPal to Fiverr, and then we'll be able to connect those two. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.